Hey guys, so today for the first time in my YouTube life, I'm gonna be filming a video while I'm feeling a little bit sick. It's nothing very serious, it's nothing serious at all. It's just my nose is stuffy, my throat hurts, but other than that, I'm feeling great. I wasn't really planning on filming today, but I'm following that girl on Instagram called Stacy Marie MUA. I'm gonna have her name here, and she posted this look couple of days ago and it's absolutely stunning, you guys. When I saw it, I got so inspired and I want to paint my eyelids the way that she painted that girl's eyelids. And she also posted a photo of that look. It's so dramatic, so bold, so intense and vibrant. I don't know, I'm getting very excited about playing with blue today, so wish me good luck. It's a little bit more complicated look because it has some kind of a cut crease. It's like a yellow smoky eye. It's also like using a lot of blue, and blue is not like the easiest color to work with, but wish me good luck. Let's go ahead and do that. Right, so I'm gonna start off with some concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C2. I'm gonna add some of it on my eyelids, and I'm gonna use that as an eyeshadow primer today. I'm adding just a shadow shield. I have this package here full of these, and these are comfortable. I usually don't like sticking tape on my face, but these feel a lot better than just tape. And I really want to have a nice and sharp line here. I don't really care about this part of the shadow shield. I mean, it's gonna grab some eyeshadow. I'm already wearing my foundation and brows, so it's gonna be helpful. Less fallout is always better. And look, look how much more fun is that. You can't do that with tape. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this color right here. This is the Morphe 35B palette, and this is also the palette that she listed that she used. So I'm gonna start off with this very nice intense blue shade, and I'm gonna add it in the inner corner, in the outer corner, and in my crease. Now this is what I call a suitable look for the grocery shop. Every time that I smile, these are going to be moving. Okay, next I'm switching to a clean blending brush. This is the Morphe M506. It's very small and tiny and really convenient for more precise work. So I'm gonna use it to blend out all of the harsh lines of that blue eyeshadow. We don't like harsh lines here, they're not our friends, so we're getting rid of them. Unless it's a winged eyeliner, then we want it to be nice and crisp and sharp. But if it's an eyeshadow, we want to blend it out. We want to make it look as smooth as possible. There are some blue eyeshadows that when you blend them, they're not like blending into a lighter blue color. Instead, they're blending into something more greenish. And I'm so happy that this one didn't do that. Like, it's blending into a very nice, like, aqua color. I like it. It's kind of matching my nails just a tiny little bit, not really much, but anyway. Now I'm gonna take this darker blue shade from the same Morphe 35B palette on the same Morphe M506 brush, bringing it in the outer and in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm trying to leave a gap in the center of my eyelid here. And look how much more contrast and definition this added to my eye. Now I need to do the same on the other eye, so be right back. Alright, both eyes look as similar as possible. Now I bring the eyeshadows a little bit higher on this eye, so I had to adjust the other eye as well. But we're going for a very dramatic look. I really hope these eyeshadows don't stain my eyelids, because if they do, I'm gonna look like someone punched me in the face and it's not gonna be beautiful, and no one will believe me that I was just wearing a blue smoky eye. That's the bigger issue. Okay, it looks like she also added some black just in the outer and in the inner corner, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take this black eyeshadow from that Morphe palette and I'm gonna add it in the inner and in the outer corner. And going back to that small blending brush, just gonna diffuse the edges. I think that I kind of messed it up because when I was blending that black eyeshadow, I also bring it in my crease and I kind of lost the blue in the crease. But I'm gonna keep on going because I like how it's coming up, even though it's getting a little bit more different than what she did. And oh my god, you guys, look at my fingers. Why? They're blue. I look like a toddler that just found her mom's blue eyeshadows. Okay, ooh, that felt amazing. The reason that I removed the shadow shields is because I'm not gonna be blending eyeshadows anymore, so I don't need them. Now we're moving on to cutting that crease. So I don't know what eyeshadow she used in the center of the eyelid, but it looks absolutely stunning. I don't know what I'm gonna use. I really have no idea, but I'm gonna use a white base to cut the crease. This is by Makeup Forever. This is their color paint in the shade L14, and it has a little bit of a satin finish. It's really pretty. I'm gonna mix it with a liner thinner by Makeup Atelier because that's gonna make it a little bit more liquidy. It's not gonna be that jelly consistency, and when it's more liquidy, it's gonna be easier to work with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me find a brush to work with. Just gonna mix them together. Alright, here we go. Whew. Okay, this is making me anxious. Now I'm gonna be a little bit extra and I'm gonna mix 3 pigments for the center highlighting situation there. I'm mixing the MakeupAddiction Mermaid Blues with the Makeup Geek Atlantis and the smaller cosmetics Moonstone. So I'm gonna mix them both in this little plastic thing here, and then I'm adding some glitter glue on my eyelids, and then I'm gonna stick them in the center of my eyelid. Okay, there is so much blending with this look, but there is one thing that I don't understand how it happened. How did I get eyeshadow in my tear duct? Like, I didn't apply any of it there. How it got there? How it happened? Someone explain, please. Okay. I'm just gonna remove any fallout that I might have under my eyes. I'm not gonna focus on my face makeup today. It's all about the eye look today. I mean, as you can tell, it gets all of the attention. However, I'm gonna have all of the products that I have on my face down in the description box. As always, I always list the products that I'm wearing. Now I'm gonna go and finish my face makeup, and I'm gonna be back to do the final touches on the eye look. She also did a small winged eyeliner, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do as well. And I'm gonna use the Inglot gel eyeliner in the shade 77, just creating a thin line very close to my lash line, and that's also going to really help to cover the lash band of the falsies. For falsies today, I'm wearing a pair by Huda Beauty. They're called Farah. And now I'm gonna tightline my eyes with the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel pencil. I actually like how this look looks on me without anything on the lower lashes, but she used some eyeshadows there, so I'm gonna do it too. And I'm taking again that nice blue eyeshadow from that Morphe palette, and I'm gonna smudge it under my lower lashes. And I'm taking that darker blue color again from the same palette and smudging it again under my lower lashes. But this one I would try to keep it very close to my lashes, and I really want that lighter blue color to be visible there, so I don't want to cover it up with the darker one. And lastly, with a very light hand, I'm adding the black eyeshadow. Again, keeping it very close to my lashes. I'm taking a very small amount at a time so that, I don't mess the things up. And just building up the intensity. and see how that step by adding eyeshadows under the lower lashes changed the entire look. It made it a lot more dramatic. I feel like a different human when I'm applying eyeshadows under my lower lashes. I look like a different human. If you go at the beginning of the video when I was just wearing my eyebrows and my foundation, and you come back here, you're gonna be like, wow, this is two different girls. But no, it's just me. I don't know if I'm the only one who is feeling like that, but I feel like the more dramatic, the more dark looks change my face like entirely.
I'm a different human now.
Now in the inner corners of my eyes, I'm gonna add some lash glue, and then on top of it, I'm adding that combination of the pigments that I also applied in the center of my eyelid. Alright, and that's it. We're done. I just need some setting spray. Okay, that's good. And this is the final look, guys. I think that I came pretty close to what she did. The looks are not like 100% similar, but I tried my best, and I think that the colors are a little bit different. She used something more like teal, like greenish in the center, and mine is like more like ice blue color. And also I noticed that she didn't create a crisp line here in the outer corner. Instead she smoked it out. It's very nice and like blended. Mine is like a crisp line. I noticed that while I was blending my eyeshadow, and I already had my shadow shoots on, so I just decided to leave it like that, because if I tried to fix it, if I tried to blend it, there is a big chance that it would be a mess, and I didn't want it to do that. I didn't want to mess everything up. But anyways, let me guys know what you think about the look. I think that this is something a little bit more out of my comfort zone. Like, I'm not usually doing this kind of looks, but I love how they look. You know, the cut center crease, let's call it like that, and the hollow smoky, I don't know, it's just so beautiful. And this girl, Stacey Marie MUA, she does, you guys, her work is art. Honestly, she's so talented. Go check her out. Also, let me know if you want to see more videos like that, where I'm recreating the look of somebody else and giving them shout out and all of those good stuff. I think that there's so many talented makeup artists out there, so let me know. And if you do, we can make them a series, and maybe call the series something like try out this look with me. Try this look out with me. I don't know. How does it sound? I don't know. Let me know. If you have an idea for a cool title for those, let me know. You guys can be so creative. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was something a little bit different, but I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you like the look that I created. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press the bell button next to the subscribe button, because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!